Hi, my name is Liam Shaw with Gallagher. Today we're going to talk about how to install an electric fence. The first thing you have to determine is, are you building a permanent fence or are you building a temporary fence? Because the infrastructure and the tools and the products are all going to be different. For a permanent electric fence, the main structure is a brace. You got to build a good solid brace for any type of fence, and especially a high tensile wire fence. High tensile wire is probably your biggest bang for your buck price per foot, and it is also the most conductive that you can buy. It doesn't always apply in all situations, so there's other products for horses or smaller animals. You can use our braided products, or we have a coated high tensile wire as well. It's a little more safe for horses. You need to make sure your brace is installed, and with New Zealand style or high tensile wire fence, you can put your posts a lot further apart, saving you time and money. For temporary electric fence, there's many tools that you can use. Installing these, you have to pay attention to how often you're going to be moving it, or if you want to move it at all. When we are putting in temporary fence, you got to pay attention to the wire type and the distance that you're going to run that wire. You don't want to run a poly wire over a quarter mile. If you have fences that are longer than that, you'd want to step up to a turbo product, which has higher conductivity for longer range fences, so for both predator control and to keep the animals in. For bigger livestock like cows, you can get away with a single strand in some situations, or a 3 or 4 strand perimeter fence. You just got to make sure your wire spacings are adequate so that if the animal does try to touch the fence, they do get shocked.